Stormy skies and stormy seas have been a common sight in the UK already this winter. Storm Isha, which brought heavy rain and wind gusts topping 160 kilometers an hour, is the ninth named storm this season.
So this has been an extraordinary wind season. The windstorm season begins in September. So September 2023, we started to see storms brew in the Atlantic. So now we're in January, we're up to the ninth named storm, which is quite rare, unusual, yes, and it has really impacted the UK in terms of how much rain we've seen and also wind damage. And as I speak, another storm has now just been named, this time by the Irish Met Service.
Storm Jocelyn, named by the Irish forecaster Met is due to bring more wind and rain on Tuesday and Wednesday local time. But forecasters say it doesn't necessarily mean UK winters will always witness such frequent and severe storms. Parts of the UK have been hammered since fall by a series of gusty and wet storms and have toppled trees, knocked out power, and led to flooding along river valleys. The railway operator for Scotland halted train service on Sunday night and into Monday's rush hour. In the west of Ireland, counties Donegal, Galway and Mayo were warned of extremely strong and possibly destructive gusts from Sunday afternoon into the morning. People were told to stay away from the coast.